When I began to learn music, when I was between 5 and 6 years old, I was taught a meaning of music. It was something like the art of expressing emotions through tones and sounds. This relates to us in car audio because we work the tones, for the 40 Hz tone, 1000 Hz tone, to tune the amplifiers to see distortion. This is a diapason. This instrument is used to tune the piano and the other instruments. I'm going to show you here an orchestra. When they are starting, they are going to check if they are all in tune, to see if they are all of them are playing the A tune. So I'm going to show you this in a picture, and if you notice, there's an A, and the frequency, the resonant frequency of the diapason is there, 440. So this means this is the fourth A notes from the keyboard of the piano, and every instrument is tuned to this frequency, which means there's no place for non-tuning instruments. For instance, like I show you in the link below, an orchestra, they always tune to this one, because if anyone starts to tune their instruments to what they like, they won't sound like an orchestra, and they will be just amateurs playing, not professionals. Curiosity fact: when Beethoven composed the Ninth Symphony, he was deaf. He managed to write and compose the Ninth Symphony biting the piano. When you ring the diapason and you put it like here in the bone, you can hear the A notes. As if you press it again and you put it on your tips, you will hear it also. That was how Beethoven managed to make the Ninth Symphony. The music, the tune, it's not to do it by ear. We have to use the RTA, and you need to learn how to do it. So why do we need this kind of tune? Because when musician plays the music, or when the studios they are recording and mastering the recordings, or summing the drums, the guitar, the singer, they all sum all these frequencies in the recordings, and the difference between the time on all the microphones, adding the delay, solving the phase problems and the phase shift problem. And when they do this mastering, they want to bring the true music to us. So, and when we're doing a system, a true system that can reproduce everything, we cannot do by ear. We need the RTAs, so we can bring the clarity, the true reproduction of the tracks that we are listening. So I've connected the RTA, the DM RTA from audio control, to show you how the diapason works. Notice here the frequency between 400 and 500, what is going to happen. Now a very interesting thing. I'm going to show you that the mic without the sound also capture the frequency response from the diapason. This is a very neat experience.